I just want to take a second to show you how easy it is to put on the flour guide. The flour guide is awesome because it'll channel all the flour right down into your measuring cup or a bowl or your pan, whatever you want to do. Keeps the mess and the peanut butter or anything else from flowing outwards. But it's easy as this. What I found is if you set your mill up against the counter and just kind of put your stomach against it, that works real good. Remove the knob. And this is anytime you change from burrs to stones, this works. So you remove the knob, drop your stones off, and you'll notice that there's a little bit of play forward and backward, and that's why if you just push against it with your stomach or just lightly, it's no big deal. Hold this in place. On the back of your machine, there's 3 different holes. The 2 that are closest together, kind of a peace sign, go to the bottom. So you just find that, and I just take my finger and hold that. And then this is what engages with the drive, and that's why you push against it slightly. If you push against that, you feel it lock into place. You're good. You hold it with your finger and start the threading action. Once you get that tightened with your finger, you're good to go, and it's held on by the friction. Now we want to just demonstrate how easy it is to grind into a container. So we're going to actually put some wheat in this and grind into a measuring cup and just give you an idea how the flour guide works. And again, if this is probably about as small of a measuring cup as you would consider grinding into, but if you put it directly underneath the cup, you'll see that it guides it into about a 2-inch space. So it works quite well. If you have to, if that doesn't work for you, you can put it into a larger cup. In fact, we'll just show you that. Your glass 2-cup Pyrex fit really nicely under there, and there's no question about it grinding nice and neatly into that cup. And it'll produce, as we showed you in our other videos, 80 revolutions, which is about a minute turning time, will produce about 1.25 cups, a little over 1.25 cups. So it's quite fast. In fact, there's no other mill right now, hand mill in the market, that produces 1 pass flour that quickly. If you give this a couple little taps when you're done, everything will funnel right into the cup, and you can see how easily that is.